Hi guys, and welcome back to It's Erin. Welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much, and I hope you are all well, staying positive and healthy. Today I wanted to cook for you banana toasted pecan cake in the Instant Pot. As you know, I love making cakes and cheesecakes in the Instant Pot because they turn out so moist. So today I have a few ingredients. This is so easy to make. I just made one and it looks like it's to die for. What you need is, I have this springform cake pan, okay, and I lined the bottom with aluminum foil, and then I greased the sides with butter. So I'm just gonna put that aside for now. You will need is, I have this sling just to put my cake pan into the Instant Pot. If you don't have a sling that fits into your Instant Pot, you can easily make a sling out of tin foil. Okay, so that's just for after. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to add one banana. So I'm gonna take one banana here. And this is so fast and easy, so it's great. You can make a cake for your neighbor or friend or something. I have 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just gonna put that in there. This is 3 tablespoons of melted butter, so it's a bit melted. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to mash it. Just mash the banana. After that, I'm going to add 1 egg. Just gonna put that in there. After that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of flour. Okay. And this is so easy. You just blend this together. Okay, after that, I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. So I was just gonna put that in there and blend it all. And after this, I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Put that in there. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, after I've blended all of that, the last ingredient that I'm going to put in is the chopped pecans. And what I did prior to starting this video was I actually chopped them up, 1 cup of pecans, and I toasted them on my hot plate here, just with a little bit of caramel syrup, and I toasted them and they're ready to go. So I'm gonna put that in the mixture here. Okay, see how easy this is? You can make this in an afternoon and it's just so impressive. It tastes so delicious. Okay, so there we go. It's all blended. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in my springform pan. Not my porn pan. Oh gosh. Okay, I put it in my springform pan. It's all ready to go. And all I need to do is put some tin foil on it. I put the tin foil on it so that the moisture that is created inside of the Instant Pot, when it's pressurizing, doesn't go into the cake. So what I do is I just pop that in there. This is so simple. Then I can never do the lid from this side, so anyway. I'll just do it this way. 30 minutes. Okay, well, look at how perfect this is. It came right out of the Instant Pot. It looks so moist and delicious. It's like perfect. I put it on a plate. Now what I did was I actually whipped 1 cup of whipped cream, and then I'm just gonna put this on the top. Okay. Oh. And then I always do a test cake. So this one I can give to a neighbor, and then the next one I can keep for myself. And another good thing about my Instant Pot is I've got the 6-quart one, so it makes a small dessert so that I don't have some huge cake that I have to eat, right? So So yeah, it's a good sized portion, not just for myself, but okay. After I've got all of this whipped cream on there, looks really good. You can be as fancy, or you can whip it a little bit more if you like to whip. Whip and nay. Just kidding. Okay, after that I'm gonna take some caramel sauce, whatever kind you like, and just drizzle it on there like this. And look at how beautiful this is. I think it is gonna be so delicious. Okay, so I put the piece on the plate and I added some caramel syrup on there just to make it look beautiful. And I'm gonna try it. Looks delicious. Wow. It is delicious. Wow, it's very moist. Very moist. I love it. That's what I hate about some cakes. They're really dry. In the Instant Pot, the moisture goes in the cake. It is delicious. I hope you're all learning something new while everyone's off and staying at home. If you haven't tried this and you love pecans and bananas and need a little something to try and something to learn, then I definitely recommend this recipe because it's very easy. And you know what? With a nice glass of champagne or a nice glass of wine to top it off with, you've got a wonderful afternoon little treat. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please stay safe out there. Be kind to others and look after each other, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.